Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to add an Embed a Google Form link on your Canva website. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Google Forms website. After that, just open up the form that you want to add to your Canva website. Let it load up. So let's just wait for a second here. It loads up. So just go here to the after your form opens up, just go to the share option with the link. So just go here. Sorry, my bad. Just go here, click on publish. So after you click on publish, you'll get the shareable link here. Just click here on shorten URL. Just copy this link. So after you copy your link here, just go to your project. Let's just say we'll select this project here. So after you go to that, just go to the app section on Canva and write Embed. So select this option here, click on open and just paste your link here that you just copied and then click on add to design and wait for a bit. So as you can see, your Google form link has been embedded to this project. So it's a pretty easy process. I hope this video helps you guys. Thanks for watching and take care.